Today we're talking about Marco, which is a marking stick, 2-inch marking stick, dispenser and organizer. What we really looked at, and this was developed out of a really this bunch and bundle of chem sticks. And what people are primarily using now, your end users, are using either 4 or 6-inch chem sticks. This takes a tremendous amount of time for them because, as you see, the stick itself gives off enough light where under nods it's creating a lot of glare. So what they're doing is wrapping each one individually with tape, then you're threading them through paracord and then tying them onto this bundle, which takes a tremendous amount of time. And then they're wearing these pretty much on your belt, on your loop, something like that, which is, really just takes up a lot of time. It's very heavy, kind of cumbersome, and really just doesn't work well. So we were trying to invent something that would be a little bit easier for them. What Marco does, it's an organizer and dispenser in one. So really with one hand, you push it out, you snap it, and you drop your chem stick. And that's all there is to it. Some of the guys are already using 2-inch chem sticks, and one of the problems they have is figuring out how to organize it or how to keep them. Most of them are breaking them up individually. They're all individually wrapped and putting them in a bulk cargo pocket or something like that. What this does is actually protects them, so it keeps them from breaking. It's a polycarbonate shell, which makes it really tough. Sticks in, just sits in one of your pouches and allows you to deploy as many marking sticks. They all come pre-ready, pre-packaged in sticks of 30. So instead of having to make all this, really, you just have your Marco package, rip it open, it comes fully loaded, ready to go with a shelf life of about 4 years. We also have different kind of pouches for them. We've got a 10-speed pouch, if you're familiar with Blue Force Gear's 10-speed gear. We also have a Kydex holster that we can purchase separately as well. ADS has been a great partner of ours. Primarily, we're a fairly small company down in Savannah, Georgia. So working with a company like ADS, they're able to work with different clients, different people, identify those needs, and kind of direct them to us. So it's been a great resource. We think we make great products, 100% American made, very compliant, and what we're trying to do is really something we're calling lighten the load, which is reducing the weight of the gear that the average service member is actually wearing today. So through our technology, through different materials and construction, we can actually reduce that weight 40 to 60%. And Marco is just another piece of that. So instead of wearing this, the Marco sticks or the Marco organizer actually weighs about half of what this giant bundle does.